move on and talk about another big story of the day. Viewers, it's a new year, but it's the same old story of price pinch in Karnataka. After the hike in electricity prices, stamp duty, milk prices and others in the list, the Karnataka government has announced a 15% hike in bus fares across the state. The new prices will be effective from 5th of January. Buses of Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation, Karnataka Road Transport Corporation, North Western Karnataka Road Transport Corporation and Bengaluru Metropolitan Transport Corporation will face these price hikes. Now, the steep hike of 15% is expected to bring in revenue for the government and the cash-strapped corporations. The price change is expected to bring in additional revenue to the state, and it's estimated to be around 7.84 crore rupees per day and 75 crore rupees per month. BJP earlier staged a protest, which was followed by a protest by the Congress leaders. Imran is now joining us live for more on this. Imran, we earlier got visuals of the protest by the BJP. Tell us what's happening right now.
Well, at the moment, the protest is over, but the BJP had protested here earlier in the day. The leader of opposition, R. Ashok, along with the leader of opposition council, Chalwadi Narayanaswamy, carried out protests at the Bengaluru bus stand, saying that the state government is passing on the burden of the Katakat schemes to the common man, and they are protesting against it. In fact, the 15% fare hike was declared by the cabinet yesterday. The Congress feels that it's because to subsidize the cost being incurred because of the welfare schemes. However, defending their move, the transport minister said it's because the BJP government was there. They had left for 5,000 odd crore rupees as debt, and that is the reason why the corporations, because of rising fuel input costs and other costs going up, they had to increase the 15% fare hike. BJP should answer first about the 5,000 crore debt they had left on the corporation, then criticize them over the 15% hike, is what transport minister said. The BJP, however, says these are all lies spread by the transport minister in order to hide the fact that they have passing on the welfare schemes burden on common man, and they will continue to protest in the coming days and put pressure on the government to withdraw the 15% hike what they have done.
Right. Imran, request you to stay on with us. Now, this decision of Karnataka government, viewers, clearly has drawn sharp criticism from the BJP. BJP trained guns on Congress party's Khatakhat model, accusing it of burdening the people of Karnataka for their greed to fulfill their guarantees. The BJP pointed out that since the Congress government came to power in Karnataka, the prices of electricity, liquor, milk, stamp duty and even government hospital fee have been hiked in the state. Listen in.
Karnataka, after Congress coming into the power, Congress government ministers are doing jolly and people's life is getting kali, meaning to say they are getting empty, and Karnataka ministers are enjoying their life. Now 15% is a price hike in all the 4 departments of the transport in Karnataka, whether it is BMTC, KSRTC, NWKSRTC and any KSRTC. If they cannot manage the resources of Karnataka, the Congress government should resign and they should wipe down the Congress party. Only then the people of Karnataka can live a happy life.
So that was the reaction of the BJP. We also have a justification coming in from the Congress party as well, which we will be playing out for you in just a bit. But this is clearly going to pinch the Aam Aadmi in the state of Karnataka, because we have seen a steep hike in other things as well. Right now, it is 15% hike in bus fares across the state. The Congress government, in fact, has defended this move, saying that this was the first hike in several years in the state. The government also attributed the price hike to escalating fuel prices and alleged debt left behind by the BJP government, and said that corporations will not be able to function with sustained losses. Listen in.
This is continued from so many months, but the problem is it has not come out. Slowly, one after one, all the issues are coming out now. There are so many in queue, so it will come. Government has to answer for all these things.
Tomorrow protests are against Priyanka in Kalburgi.
Yeah, we are doing that.
The cabinet has decided to make Dharwad which is known as a cultural capital of Karnataka, Dharwad, will be made a separate corporation. That is one. And the government has decided, and we have given administrative approval for increase of 15% of rates, ticket prices, to be enhanced, raised. This increase will give 74.85 crores every month. This will try to reduce the losses that those nigams, corporations were suffering.
Kalyan Karnataka, Vayuve Karnataka and KSRTC in 2020 January 26th was fare hike. That means 5 years back the fare hike held. When our government we took over, BJP government left 5,900 crores debit for us. BJP people, they tell lies. They are liars. See, I'll ask one question for these BJP people. When they left their government in 2023 May, why they have left 5,900 crores debit for us?